Believe it or not, you can gain thousands of followers, leads, and clients from Instagram using one simple AI automation. By the way, I'm Alex from Alex Marketing with almost 300,000 followers on my personal brand and help thousands of clients achieve similar results with strategies like this. We only need one AI tool, ManyChat. ManyChat is a tool that sends DMs automatically each time a keyword is mentioned. For example, whenever someone comments ads on my post, they will get a link for my YouTube video about ads. This is good because you're getting more engagement on your posts, more people will click the link because it's now in their DMs, you will get better conversions because it feels more personal. This is currently the best way to promote anything on Instagram, landing pages, lead magnets, questionnaires, whatever it is. Far better than mentioning the link in bio. Now we'll use it to get leads, sales, and grow our followers at the same time. Firstly, you need a lead magnet. It's something that you will be giving away for free or close to nothing in exchange for their information. I assume most of you have that, but if you don't have a lead magnet, just make a PDF or a video solving a specific problem in your industry, but solve it completely. Solve it so in depth that it's better than most people's paid products. That's how you will absolutely blow their minds and they will be even more interested in purchasing from you. After you set up a lead magnet, you can host it on Payhip or StandStore, and then it's time to set up ManyChat. Sign up for ManyChat for free. You can use the link in the description. Connect your Instagram account. It's pretty straightforward. After that, go to automations and click on new automation and start from scratch. Now it's time to create a trigger. Click on the new trigger and choose user comments on your post or reel. For now, you can choose all posts to trigger each time a keyword is mentioned. Input the keyword. Keep it simple, but also not something that people will accidentally type like me, no, yes, and so on. For my 10,000 followers guide, it's 10K. You can choose whether you want to automatically respond to comments. This is cool, but if you get thousands of comments, you'll actually get action blocked. So I will keep this off. Save the trigger and you're good to go. Now you can customize the message that they'll receive. You can add either a physical link to your lead magnet or a button. There's a bunch of options here, but for now they're not too important. Play around it yourself, just make sure to include a simple message and a lead magnet link. Now, instead of connecting these two and finishing the automation, we'll add another segment. Click on the plus sign and choose condition. Add the condition, go to system fields, click on Instagram and then choose follows business on Instagram. Then connect the trigger to the condition and then to the message. Here's what you've got. Only people that follow you and comment the keyword will receive the DM. Now, whenever you make any content, tell them to follow you and make a comment with the keyword to receive a lead magnet. You can make really short reels with some simple text and a longer description, which tells them to comment the keyword and follow you, and you will literally get thousands of followers. What's even better, you're also getting a bunch of leads whom you can DM later on and convert into clients. Plus, you're leaving an amazing first impression because on top of the value that they receive in the reel, you're giving more value in your amazing lead magnet. And that's it. Now just keep posting simple content, promoting your lead magnet, using the mentioned call to action. You'll be getting thousands of followers in no time. Don't forget to sub to the channel and ring the bell to not miss content like this because I upload every week. Cheers.